And look at what we have here. ELS 501. Yep, we have a train. We've got a train. It made it by my house. I just grabbed my wife from work, and lo and behold, the train was going by. So I dropped her off, and here I am. Well, I wish I had all afternoon, or evening I should say, to chase this train. But it's not a very full train. There's no logs on it. And to be honest, I've got some other things I need to go do. You guys take this chance to hit that thumbs up, would you? That would be awesome. Hey, I just want to make a quick shout out. I am heading south to Florida next week. Hoping to meet up with some rail fans in Biloxi, Mississippi. If you think you're in the Biloxi area or will be next week, let me know. We'll hook up. Creeping up the hill here. Mississippi for a day or two. I used to live down there about, well, 2003, and I know they got a pretty active rail line right along the coast, so I'm going to want to check out some train videos while I'm there, or I should say film some train videos. And I'm hoping there's some rail fans down there that maybe want to meet up for a day or something. That's you, make a comment below. I'll make a post on my community page and we'll try to set something up. I have a date in mind, but we're going to keep that open for now. Anyway, guys, again, thanks for joining me in this little short video today. Make sure to hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that share button. Like I said, make a comment below. I will be heading down to near Orlando, so that's where I'm heading to. It'll be a fun, nice drive. Anyway, you guys have a fantastic day.